Hello guys, do you know about donkeys? Today I am going to tell you some amazing facts of donkey. Before this, please subscribe and like my video. Donkeys' large ears help them stay cool. Do you know donkey's vocalization is unique? Do you know one donkey breed is impressively hairy? Do you know their ancestors are on the brink? Do you know there are conservation efforts to protect endangered wild asses? Do you know donkeys are a part of many hybrids? Do you know Mule, Henny, John Mule, Molly, these all are the hybrids of donkey? Do you know donkey is the only animal who are very highly social?